Bitcoin.
Well, Bitcoin in my hedge fund. I own Bitcoin in my fund, in my private account.
$10,000 per Bitcoin in 3 years. Can't see the future.
Well, I think it is working. There will be other currencies like it that maybe even...
Welcome, family, and thank you for tuning in to Crypto King for your crypto info updates. I'm Carlos, and on today's program, we'll be discussing Moonbeam. Now, this Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform is a project that's going to provide a design that's unique to serve all kinds of crypto assets and users that exist across multiple chains. Moonbeam's cross-chain integration with the Polkadot network will put them in a position to become one of the first projects to get a parachain on Polkadot's blockchain. Let's take a deeper look into why you should consider Moonbeam as a part of your portfolio.
Would you like to get started investing in crypto? If so, the best place to get started is Coinbase. If you'd like to help out the channel and get free Bitcoin, please check out the link in the description box below. Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
What is Moonbeam? Moonbeam is a developer-oriented blockchain that strives to provide compatibility with the existing Ethereum developer toolchain and network. It does this by providing a full EVM implementation, a Web3 compatible API, and it bridges Moonbeam to existing Ethereum networks. This allows developers to deploy existing Solidity smart contracts and decentralized applications to Moonbeam with minimal charges. Moonbeam will also be a parachain or work to be a parachain on the Polkadot network. That means that it will get a shared security from the Polkadot relay chain, and it will be able to integrate with other chains that are connected to Polkadot. So family, what we're looking at here now is what a fully Ethereum compatible environment on Polkadot looks like. We have 4 different points here for the foundation of this project, and right now what we see starting here, we have Solidity smart contracts. We also have accounts with a ECDSA signatures. We also see a complete set of Web3 RPC endings, and we also have right here a publish subscribe capabilities. So this is what a fully Ethereum compatible environment on Polkadot looks. Some of the features and functionalities of this Moonbeam project, they seek to try to achieve the goals in creating a decentralized and permissionless environment, also contain a full EVM implementation. It also implements the Web3 RPC API. It is compatible with the Substrate ecosystem toolset, the native chain cross-chain integration via the Polkadot network, and lastly, the on-chain governance to allow stakeholders to quickly and forklessly evolve in the base protocol according to the developer and community needs. This unique combination of elements fills a strategic market gap, while at the same time allowing Moonbeam to address the developer needs of the Polkadot network as it grows over time. Building your own chain with the Substrate is powerful, but it also comes with a number of additional responsibilities, such as learning and implementing the chain's runtime in Rust, creating a token economy, and incentivizing a community of node operators. For many developers and projects, an Ethereum compatible smart contract approach will be much simpler and faster to implement. By building these smart contracts on Moonbeam, developers can still integrate with other chains and get great value based from the Polkadot network effects. So on this decentralized smart contract platform, Moonbeam requires a utility token to function. This token is central to the design of Moonbeam and cannot be removed without sacrificing essential functionality. Some of the uses of this token on Moonbeam would include supporting gas metering of smart contract executions, incentivizing collators, and powering the mechanics around the creation of a decentralized node infrastructure on which a platform can run. Also facilitating an on-chain governance mechanism, including proposing referenda, electing council members, voting rights, etc. And also paying for the transaction fees on the network. The Glimmer token, now in the Moonbeam deployment on the Polkadot mainnet, this token will be called Glimmer, as in the smart contract call will cost 3 Glimmer. The token symbol will be GLMR. Family, right here with any project, we know that partnerships and collaborations are very, very big in order for this cryptocurrency and the space to be able to succeed. So as we look here, we can see some of the largest cryptocurrencies here, Chainlink being one of the largest. We also see MetaMask, also SushiSwap, as well as Band Protocol, all coming aboard as a part of Moonbeam's project. We'll read an article shortly here about a collaboration that Moonbeam just did with a well-known cryptocurrency some of you may even hold right now. Moonbeam is launching on a parity substrate framework. Designed as a smart contract chain for Polkadot, the platform works as a parachain, offering smart contract developers a way to run applications on the Polkadot network. The scaling issues led to high gas fees. This made it expensive to run the application on the network. So this past summer, the fees were so high that some companies, they had to shut down because they couldn't make up the cost. So Moonbeam hopes to solve some of these Ethereum issues by offering builders a platform to build on Polkadot conveniently. The developers of Moonbeam said that it can easily port their existing application codes to deploy on the more affordable, directly governable Moonbeam platform. A significant difference between Moonbeam and Ethereum is that Moonbeam includes an extensive set of on-chain governance features based on a substrate functionality. These on-chain governance modules include functionality to power upgrades on the blockchain itself based on the token-weighted vote. So who benefits from this project Moonbeam the most? Well, there are three main audiences who can benefit the most from Moonbeam's cross-chain functionality. First, we see the existing Ethereum-based projects. Now these projects, they're struggling with the cost and scalability challenges on Ethereum. So they can use Moonbeam to move portions of their existing workloads off of the Ethereum layer 1 with minimal or required changes, right? They also can implement a hybrid approach where the applications live on both Ethereum and Moonbeam simultaneously. Second, you have the ecosystem project that needs smart contract functionality. They can use Moonbeam to add the new functionality as needed. For example, they can use or create a place where the teams can crowdfund their projects, implement lock drops, and process other more complex financial transactions that are provided by the substrate functionality. Lastly, there are individuals and teams that can try to build on Polkadot's network, and they can do this to leverage the specialized functionality from the Polkadot parachains while reaching users and assets on other chains. So these are the three sections that I think that will benefit the most. Beam will link Ocean Protocol and Polkadot. So last week there was some news that came out that Polkadot users will be able to buy and sell data from the Ocean Protocol. This will give the Polkadot users the ability to buy and sell data on the Ocean Protocol marketplace. And these data marketplaces are very, very useful in several different areas. So if you hold Ocean Protocol, once Moonbeam comes out and they're ready to go, then you can see the price surge in Ocean Protocol. So this is a very, very paramount partnership here, and this one that I'm definitely going to pay close attention to. Well, family, I bet you're wondering now, how can you get Moonbeam, seeing as how we just learned about this particular project and the problems that it intends to solve? Well, right now, Moonbeam is not a project that you can purchase any shares of at the current moment. However, you can pay attention to this project right here on this page, ICO drops. And that way you'll be alerted to when this project is ready to launch, and then that way you'll be prepared to have your bag set aside so that you can purchase shares. Because I definitely plan on purchasing shares of Moonbeam because I love the project and what it plans to do. I'm willing to bet that Moonbeam might be one of the first projects to get a parachain on Polkadot's platform. Hey, your guess is just as good as mine, but I'm willing to bet Moonbeam is going to be one of them. Well, family, that's it on this subject area on Moonbeam. I'll see you next week when we're talking about family. That's about all the information that I have on this project here for you today. Hopefully you'll stay tuned in to ICO drops so that way you'll be alerted to when this project is ready to launch and you'll be ready to take on your shares as you see fit to add it to your portfolio. This is Moonbeam. Thank you for tuning in this week to Crypto King for your crypto info updates. If you enjoyed the information that was presented to you today on this platform, why don't you take a moment and hit that like button? And also leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have a question, please ask. I'll make sure that I do my due diligence to find you the correct answer. Also, if you haven't had an opportunity to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. I love new subscribers, and please let me know that you just subscribed to my channel by leaving a comment down below. Remember, family, excuses are tools of incompetence used to build monuments of nothing. Those who specialize in them seldom amount to anything. There are no excuses. Never look down on anybody. And if you have to look down on somebody, look down on them to lift them up. We should always be lifting as we climb. Be strong, hold fast, and don't quit. Let all your things be done in charity. I love you, Yeshua loves you, and there's absolutely nothing that you can do about it. Have a wonderful day.